Hey there, Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to recover deleted Snapchat memories on your iPhone. Losing those precious moments can be frustrating, but fear not because we've got you covered. Before we begin, it's essential to note that Snapchat doesn't offer a direct way to recover deleted memories within the app. However, there are a few tricks you can try to retrieve those memories. Let's jump right in. First step, head over to your iPhone settings. Then go to General, then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find Snapchat in the list of apps and tap on it. Once you're in the Snapchat settings, you'll see two options: offload app and delete app. Here's the key. Tap on offload app. By offloading the app, you're removing the app from your iPhone but keeping its data intact. This includes your deleted memories. After offloading Snapchat, go back to your home screen and reinstall the app from the App Store. Once you've reinstalled Snapchat, log in using your credentials. And voila, by offloading and reinstalling Snapchat, you've successfully recovered your deleted memories. And that's all for today. We hope this tutorial helped you recover those cherished Snapchat memories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy snapping.